Today I wanted to run through a couple of basics to show you how best to use your classy fundraising page on our website to connect with your donors. First, let's head over to our website at biketheukforms.org and select your trip from the Routes and Teams tab of the menu at the top. I'm going to use the C2C as an example. From the route page, you've got two ways to get to your profile. Your first option is to hit login in the top right hand corner, fill in your email and password that you used when you applied to the ride, and then log in. After that, you can click Go To in the top right hand corner and then select your fundraising page. The second option to get to your profile from the route page is to scroll down as far as the team section. If you can't see your team, click View All and then select the team that you're a member of. From there, you can view the members and then select your profile. If you haven't already done so, log in the top right hand corner at this stage. So now you're on your profile page. So this is exactly what your donors will see when you share your page with them. So this is what you want to personalize as best you can and make it your own. To edit the profile, click the Manage in the top right hand corner, and from here you can make all the changes you want. So let's start with the Details tab. Here you can upload and change your picture at any time. You can write your page headline, make it as unique as you'd like. Your minimum fundraising goal will already be set for you, but you're welcome to increase this at any time. For example, if you've already reached your fundraising target, or if you generally want to push yourself a little bit further. You can set yourself a vanity URL, like your name, for example, just to make it easier for you to share your profile. It would then just be ride.biketheukforms.org/ whatever you type for your vanity URL. Last thing is to make sure that you save all your changes. Under the email tab, you can create an email template, either asking for donations or thanking those that have already made a contribution, which you can then copy into an email later on. You can view your donors and select the email addresses you'd like to copy to send the email to. Under donations is another nice feature for thanking your donors. You can leave a comment on their donation, and provided they've submitted their email address when they made your donation, they'll get an email notification that you've thanked them. And you can mark it as thanked just to help with keeping track. So the last one is the story and update section. This is actually the first thing that donors will see when they visit your profile. So make sure you personalise the story with photos, videos, links, and explain to them what you've signed up for and why you're asking them to make a donation. Just make sure you save at the end. Then through your training, as you prepare for the trip and during the ride, why not create some updates for your donors, like a blog post? Your donors will actually get an email when you post an update, provided you selected the Share with Donors feature. It's a great way to keep them engaged with what you're doing. Just make sure that you publish each update that you want to send. Once you're happy with everything, select View in the top right hand corner and you'll see your profile in the same way that your donors will. Okay, so those are the basics of how to use your fundraising profile. But if you have any questions at all, we'd be happy to help. We have a chat feature in the bottom right-hand corner of our homepage. And if we aren't live at the time you want to message, you can send us an email from there as well. Thanks for listening, and all the best with reaching your fundraising goals. We look forward to riding with you in the summer.